Alright guys, welcome to the first lecture of this course. Before we get started with the project, we need some softwares, right? So for this project, we need two softwares. One is Atom Editor and another one is Git Bash, okay? So if you have Atom Editor, then that's fine. If you don't have, then just go to this atom.io, okay? So this is the website where you can download Atom Editor. Okay, click on this download button and it will get downloaded into your system. And to install it, it is a very simple process. Just hit next, next, next and install. I have already installed it in my computer. So make sure you install it in your PC as well. If you want to use another code editor like PyCharm or Sublime, then that's totally fine. For this course, I'm using Atom. Alright. And next we need Git. Okay, to install Git, you have to go to this git-scm.com. You will be landed into this page. So here you can download for Windows. Okay, if you are using Mac, then it will show you download for Mac. Okay, so once you download it, then just install it. It is the same simple process. Okay, so once Git is installed, and if you go to this desktop and right click, you will see these two options: Git GUI here, Git Bash here. Okay, we will be using for the most part in this course we will be using this Git Bash here. Okay, alright, so make sure you install them and I'll see you in the next video. Alright, thank you.